Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. How are you today? I hope you are fine at home. Okay children, hari ni kita sudah berada pada 13 Ramadan. Maksudnya kita dah berpuasa sebanyak 13 hari. Jadi today are you fasting children? Bagi sesiapa yang berpuasa pada hari ini, Alhamdulillah. Bagi yang baru nak cuba pun tak apa, janji nak cuba untuk berpuasa. Okay children, now I want to continue my lesson about money. Today I want to teach you how to count the money. Okay, let's see here. Okay children, let's start our lesson. Okay, here I already label the price here and the things. Okay, so we start with this one. If you want to buy an eraser, the price is 30 cents. Maksudnya 30 sen. So if 30 cents, so you need to see your money whether enough or not to buy this an eraser. So if 30 cents, so you need to use the coins ataupun you boleh guna duit kertas. But here today I want to focus about the coin first lah. So if 30 cents, so you need to see 30 cents. That's mean you need to open your finger 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. Whether you can use 20 cent and 10 cent or 10 cent, 10 cent, 10 cent. Sama je amount dia 30 sen juga. So 20 cent and 10 cent. This one is 30 cent or this one you can use 10 cent, 20 cent and 30 cent. Dia sama je dia punya amount dia. So here, this is a pencil. So a pencil, the price is 70 cent. So 70 cent is you need to open your finger, this one 50 and another 2 finger 50, 60 and 70. So you can use 50 cents, this one 50 cent and another 20 cent. Like this. Or you can use 50 cent and this one you can use 10 cent and 10 cent. If you didn't have 20 cent, you can use 10 cent and another 10 cent here. Sama je. Also 70 cent. And next, if you want to buy a sweet, you can use 20 cent lah. So here 20 cent. So that means 20 cent or 10 cent and 10 cent. Sama je 20 sen juga. This one 20 cent or this one 10 cent and another 10 cent. Maksudnya 20 sen juga. Sama je. 20 and this one also 20. So if you didn't have 20 cent like this, oh I want to buy a sweet but I don't have 20 cent. I just have this one. Don't worry, you also can buy if you have this one 10 cent and 10 cent. Sama je 20 sen juga. Okay, next, if you want to buy a ruler, oh the price is 50 cents. Oh, the 50 cents, you can use this one 50 cent or you can use 50 cent macam ni lah maksudnya, or you can use 20 and 10 cent like this. Let's see here. Maksudnya 20 cent, you need to open another 20 cent and 10 cent. You all cuba kira. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maksudnya 10 sen, 20 sen, 30 sen, 40 sen, 50 sen. Sama je. 50 sen juga. This one is just same amount. Or you also can use 10 sen. 10 sen. 10 sen. If 50 sen maksudnya you all kena ada 5 duit shilling yang 10 sen ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maksudnya 10 sen, 20 sen, 30 sen, 40 sen, 50 sen. Sama je. So 10 sen, 20 sen, 30 sen, 40 sen, and 50 sen. Sama saja. Okay. So next, if you want to buy a book, you need a 5 ringgit. So you need to give 5 ringgit here. The green color, 5 ringgit. 5. It is 5. So if you didn't have this one, this 5 ringgit, you also can use the 1 ringgit. But you need to have 5 lah. Maksudnya kena ada 5 keping. Like this one. 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit, 3 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 4 ringgit, 5 ringgit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maksudnya kena ada 5 keping duit RM1 ni. Bersamaan dengan RM5 yang ni. Sama sahaja. So if you didn't have 5 ringgit, you want to buy a book? Tak ada duit, you also can use this one. Or you can use the 10 ringgit. Also if you want to buy. Tapi nanti dia ada bakal bagi you all balance lah. But today I just want to let you know lah yang amount yang tetap. Nanti kita akan next lesson kita akan belajar pula yang duit. If you give extra money, you will get the balance. Okay. Next, if you want to buy a dinosaur, the price is 10 ringgit. You also can use the 10 ringgit here. Or you can use the 1 ringgit. Also, boleh juga guna RM1 tapi kena ada 10 keping lah. Sebab dia 10, 10. That's mean you kena ada 10 ringgit. Maksudnya 10 keping lah. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So enough 10 ringgit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just a same amount. Or you didn't have the 1 ringgit here. Not enough 10. Tak cukup 10 keping. Don't worry. If you have the 5 ringgit here, you also can use 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also can use. Boleh juga diterima sebab dia sama je amount dia. So, now next. If you want to buy a biscuit, the price is 1 ringgit. So, 1 ringgit you can use. This one you can give the 1 ringgit here. Or you also can give a coins. Maksudnya 50 sen and another 50 sen. Like this 50 and another 50. Pun sama juga. This one also 1 ringgit. And here, if you want buy a train, the price is 8 ringgit. So if 8 ringgit, you can use this one. 5 ringgit, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maksudnya 5 ringgit, 6 ringgit, 7 ringgit, and 8 ringgit. RM 8 ringgit. Or you also can use a 1 ringgit also. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 keping. Sebab dia 8. So this one also kena ada 8 keping. Sama je RM8 juga. Okay children, are you understand? Boleh faham dengan apa yang teacher ajar hari ni? Okay children, we will see in the next video. Teacher akan ajar you all cara untuk nak buat vertical order pula macam ni. In the next video. And macam mana nak kira pula kalau ada balance ke. So teacher will continue with next lesson lah. Okay children, we will see again. Bye.